The top qualifying time from yesterday was by Western Texas, 3:11:08. And that is Western Texas in the white over black, moving quickly in the middle of the track. And in lane 2, Barton County, the indoor champion. Western Texas and Barton. And on the outside, Butler. Butler in the purple. And here comes Monroe. West Texas, 46-8. Western Texas. Barton.
There you go, Fred.
South Plains now up in the second. Iowa Western. This one's going to get wild before it's over with, because we have 5 teams in the running. Texas, Western Texas, Iowa Western, South Plains, 47-1. Western Texas, Iowa Western, South Plains, Barton, Butler, Monroe, Western Texas, trying to defend their championship from a year ago. And here comes South Plains, past Iowa Western. And Butler making a move. 48-7. 48-7 for Western Texas. 22-50 at that exchange. Now can Western Texas hold on? Here comes South Plains and Iowa Western. West Texas, South Plains, Iowa Western. And we have dropped the baton back on the curve. Western Iowa, or Iowa Western, no. It's going to be Western Texas with the win.